Meanwhile, India and Bangladesh have agreed to bolster their defence ties. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his Bangladesh counterpart Sheikh Hasina inked a raft of agreements during their bilateral meeting in New Delhi. Addressing a joint briefing, Prime Minister Modi said the two leaders held detailed discussions from defence production to modernization of armed forces.
Bangladesh and on the Indian side by Shri Vinay Patra, Foreign and Bangladesh's Ministry of ICT and Telecom from the Bangladesh.
रक्षा सहयोग को और मजबूत करने के लिए डिफेंस प्रोडक्शन से लेकर सैन्य बलों के आधुनिकीकरण पर हमारी विस्तार से चर्चा हुई। हमने काउंटर टेररिज्म, कट्टरवाद और बॉर्डर के शांतिपूर्ण प्रबंधन पर अपनी सहभागिता को मजबूत करने का निश्चय किया है।
The MOUs between the two countries ranged from expanding cooperation in maritime security, ocean economy, space and telecommunication sectors. India will start an e-medical visa facility for Bangladesh nationals coming to India for medical treatment. This even as New Delhi tries to present itself as a regional power and a counterweight to China. In her remarks, Sheikh Hasina has described India as Bangladesh's major neighbor and a trusted friend.
Of ICT and Telecom. From the Bangladesh side, may I request Dr. Shahjahan Mahmood, Chairman and CEO of Bangladesh Satellite Company Limited, and from the Indian side.
Today, our two sides had very productive meetings. We discussed politics and security, trade and connectivity, sharing of water from common rivers, power and energy, regional and multilateral cooperations, among other issues of mutual interest.
The two leaders have met 10 times in the last 1 year. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina happens to be the first state guest since the new Indian government took office after the recent Lok Sabha polls. For more, our principal diplomatic correspondent Siddhant Sibal has sent us this report from New Delhi. Take a look.
Bangladeshi Prime Minister and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi today held talks here at the Hyderabad House on a range of issues from digital partnership to green partnership, focus on renewable energy to fisheries to space. But they were practical announcements. Announcements like India giving e-medical visa facilities to Bangladeshi nationals. Also, India opening up of the new consulate in Rangpur. Now, this is the 5th Indian consulate in the country and shows growing engagement between the two sides. But other than these issues, focus was on the larger geopolitics, from the Indo-Pacific to the Indian Ocean, focus on how Delhi and Dhaka can work together towards a larger stability. With video journalist Neeraj Patel, Siddhant Sibal for WION at the Hyderabad House in New Delhi.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.